How to make a Snapchat account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a Snapchat account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, to make a Snapchat account is actually very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Snapchat application here, and once you launch the Snapchat app you will see this type of interface. Now if you already have an account, you can tap on login. If you don't, just tap on the sign up option and just enable some of the allow permissions here. Now once you have done that, you can choose to give access to your contacts, and then you can simply go ahead and then give your first name and your last name over here. Once you have done that, you want to simply make sure to tap on the continue option here. It will ask you to choose your birthday, so make sure to enter a birthday that will at least make you over 18 years of age over here. Once you have done that, tap on continue. Just make sure to select your username, tap on continue, create a password for yourself, and your Snapchat account will get successfully created. This way you can make a Snapchat account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.